Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Derek Smith, and today I'm going to show you how to install an air conditioner and roof braces in a Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper. The camper we're going to be working on today is a 2002 Coleman Taos. This little pop-up camper is in fantastic condition. It's been well taken care of, and more importantly, it's well enjoyed and loved. A brand new Coleman Mach 3 air conditioner and original Coleman roof braces will get even more enjoyment and comfort out of this little pop-up. Today, I'll be helping technicians Gary and Derek install this equipment. And you can find these parts, expert assistance, and even more at our web store at colemanpopupparts.com. And if you'd like to join us, we'll get started. First, we located the 4 accordion rivets inside the roof and cut the 14 by 14 hole. We also trimmed back the center seam a little bit for the AC gasket. Now we're going to install 4 AC channel braces in between the roof outer shell and the inside ceiling. So this 5/8 inside kit is the most popular for metal type roofs. To install them, tap them evenly and lightly till they're set at the same depth. Once they've been started and they're all even, go ahead and send them home. Install the other 3 in the same manner at the same depth. It should look like this when you're done. Next, we're going to seat the air conditioner over the opening. Make sure it's lined up. And raise the roof and remove our cardboard. We just used the top of the air conditioner box to catch the debris from the cut. For the roof brace installation, there's more accordion rivets typically. Find them and remove them. And now we're going to go ahead and drill through these holes, completely through to the outside of the roof. We're going to put a little bit of silicone in there, help keep it watertight. And getting our bolt ready. So you have a sealing ring, flat washer, and then a machine bolt. Push that through the roof. This is what we're going to install our mounting bracket to. Mounting bracket goes on, and repeat for the opposite side. Drill the hole, a little bit of silicone caulk, and bolt goes through from the outside. Mount the AC brace mounting bracket. It's never a bad idea to add some extra rivets along the ceiling cove where we're installing the bracket to for some more support. So that's what Gary's doing. He's drilling a pilot hole for an expansion rivet that we'll put close to this brace to give it a little bit more stability. Drill this very slowly. You just want to go through this cove, not all the way through the roof at this point. Pop rivet goes in and gets set. And again, this is an expansion rivet. Repeating for the opposite side. Drill the hole for this extra rivet very slowly. and pop rivet goes in. All right, we're going to move the curtain track out of the way a little bit, give us some more room to install this brace. Putting the brace up and installing both fasteners. Now that brace install looked like it went pretty quick. We lost a little bit of footage. The next one's a lot better. Putting the curtain track back up. And now we're going to move this lift pocket cover out of the way. So it's got some hole plugs. We're going to pop those out. And there's 2 mounting screws behind them. Remove the 2 screws. And repeat for the opposite side. We're going to drill those out all the way through the roof here at this point. And silicone them. And here's a pro tip. Go ahead and run the bolts through the brace mounting brackets before you try to put them in with the brace up. Install the fasteners from the outside again. And tighten them to the interior brackets.
Ready?
All right, air conditioner power cord routes through this brace. There, I drop it. So it's got 2 holes on each side to help make a cleaner installation.
Cooperation.
Roof brace goes up. And here we have an issue with the ceiling light is going to be in the way. So we have to move this ceiling light. Brace comes back down. And we're going to go ahead and drop the ceiling light and install the brace first. All right, brace goes back up. And onto the brackets. Go ahead and start one side. You typically have to push up on these braces pretty hard even to get the first one started, especially hard to get the second one started. The braces from Coleman and Fleetwood had a slight camber set to them to help support the center of the roof. All right, Gary's going to go ahead and start his. And here we're going to have to push up. All right, Gary's got his started. Now we're going to tighten both sides. and I am happy to let go.
Son of a bitch.
All right, we're going to work on the ceiling assembly. So for this installation, for the power cord, we're going to put a little half moon in the back of the ceiling assembly shroud. And now wire our ceiling assembly control box to our power cord. Plug the unit into the air conditioner. And mount it to the frame. All right, there's double-sided tape inside this particular unit, so Gary's going to pull that down. And then pat that distribution shroud to the inside. And now trim it. All right, cover's going on. Line up that power cord to the little cut we made in the back. Drop the grills, and that'll expose the mounting points for this assembly. All right, Gary's putting that light back up. I'm making sure which knob is which and putting the controls on. Grills go back on. Now we'll go ahead and put our curtain tracks back up and the covers back on our lip pockets before we move to the electric. Release the clamps that are holding the wires to the floor just behind the converter. And we're going to need to install a separate dedicated 20 amp breaker for this unit. Making sure it fits in the box, which it does. And we're going to go ahead and mark where we're going to install the 20 amp dedicated outlet for this air conditioner. Ideally, you want it close to the corner where the AC cord is going to come down. Make sure the outlet fit and starting to wire the converter.
know.
All right, hooking up the breaker. And installing it into the box.
That's what I'm talking about. Temporary. Off. Not plugged in, but still off.
Okay, now it's time to wire up the plug.
We'll get that started. Grab this here. Snap.
And the outlet's ready. Time to test the unit. Plug tester.
Yay.
And the outlet's installed.
Turn it on. Ready to rock.
Thank you very much for watching. You can find these parts and more at our web store at ColemanPopUpParts.com. Don't forget to take a look at popupcamperpro.com for some cool official camping chalk art. Send me your pictures, I'd love to see them. Might end up on the chalkboard next. As you can see, you can install an air conditioner and braces in your camper. We'll be here to help you along the way. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks again for everything. Please subscribe, mash that notification bell, and I'll see you at the campground.